2020, August 21st, 9:09 a.m. In the Medusa mythology, these events took place in the time when the Hyksos were changing their name to Dorian, and the 18th dynasty was in charge of Egypt. And this would be after, well, at the time of the transition from the Hyksos being in charge of Egypt to the 18th dynasty being in charge of Egypt. Period. Somewhere in that 2000 BC to about 900 BC. That's when the story of Medusa comes into play. Period. Now Medusa was a priestess of Athena. Period. Medusa. Being a priestess of Athena means that there's extreme connections between the Egyptian pyramids and what Medusa was a clergy of, period. Because Athena, if you take off the H and the A, you have the Aten, period, which is built into the pyramids of Egypt, period. Well, if you work on the functionality and structure a little bit, period, and you draw a line from the Djedefre pyramid, which is the farthest north, to the Bent pyramid, which is the farthest south of the 18th dynasty pyramids, if you draw that line is literally the double spine of Janus. Thank you very much for help with that. One of my Catholic Community Service caregivers about a year ago helped me do that, and after about an hour worth of graphic arts work, I took her suggestion. I knew it was one spine, but she said, "Oh, I see two spines there." Susan was her name, and she helped tremendously with the research to prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that the pyramids are the double spine of Janus. One face east and one face west. Very similar to the Siamese twins, period. But connected at the hip and mid-back, period. The double spines of Janus obviously mean that Janus and the Janus of the pyramids and the Janus of the foundation ceremony of Rome, as well as Memento Mori, which is the ceremony of Janus, because the second part of the ceremony of Janus is quite literally a parade to honor Janus, so that Janus will hopefully complete the Ohm's law closed circuit and provide eureka moments for geniuses, period. Oh, man.